This Social Security filing workbook can be yours at no cost. Einstein Retirement Workshops has a special offer to anyone expecting to file for Social Security benefits to receive a Social Security workbook written and produced by renowned retirement planning specialist Kyle McCauley. This complimentary workbook is available simply when you attend an upcoming Einstein Retirement Workshop. Registration is easy using the links below this video. Social Security was signed into law in 1935 as a way to provide a retirement safety net to every working American. By 1942, the first recipients started receiving their checks, and since then, nearly $1 trillion of total benefits has been paid out through the system. What was once a very simple system for providing retirement benefits has now become one of our country's most complicated pieces of legislation. Totaling more than 2,600 pages, the Social Security Act has created a maze of decisions for most filers. Some decisions lead to dead ends of reduced benefits and excess taxes. Other decisions reward filers with maximized benefits by taking advantage of all available options. If you are like most filers, the first step towards maximizing benefits, minimizing taxes, and avoiding dead ends is to attend a live presentation hosted by Einstein Retirement Workshops. Thousands of Americans attend an Einstein Retirement Workshop prior to making critical retirement planning decisions. Follow the link to register for the next event.